Welcome to Bax. Here we create thousands of kilometers of cable tray systems that power projects across the globe. This is where we greet our business partners and begin building lasting relationships. Every great installation starts with a great design. That is why we support our clients daily in selecting the right solutions. Thanks to BaxCAD, our proprietary CAD tool, designers gain speed, accuracy, and full compatibility with AutoCAD, BricsCAD, and more. It all begins with raw steel, precisely weighed, carefully inspected, cut with accuracy down to 1/10 of a millimeter. Our products are manufactured using the most advanced sheet metal processing machines in the world. The result? Consistency, durability, and unmatched quality. Perfectly straight, perfectly fitted, and designed for quick installation. Our efficiency and precision allow us to deliver even the most demanding projects. With our own hot dip galvanizing facility, we ensure the highest quality coatings, fast lead times, and long-lasting protection against corrosion. Our warehouse is engineered for speed and reliability. Automation guarantees timely deliveries and future-ready logistics. Available today. From small installations to major industrial projects, our products are trusted across Europe, wherever quality and reliability are essential. At Bax, progress never stops. We are developing new products, expanding our modern production and warehouse facilities, and building our own photovoltaic farm. We are investing in sustainability. We are investing in the future. Bax, professional cable tray systems created for those who build more. Always moving forward, growing every day, growing for you.